For Indian expats in Dubai, meanwhile, life has largely continued as usual, even after tensions have escalated in the Middle East following the outbreak of hostilities involving the United States, Israel and Iran. But there is an uneasy calm, and NDTV's Tejasri Purandare is in Dubai tracking the latest. Here's a report she sent across.
NDTV is the only channel reporting exclusively and getting you the ground report just below that building, which was yesterday where an attempt was made to attack via drones. Remember that continuously the drones and ballistic missiles have been launched from the side of Iran to the territory of the UAE, and currently I am reporting from Marina, which is in fact in Dubai, and in the visuals, in the pictures behind me, you are seeing the same building where attempt to attack was made. However, all those drones were intercepted, and the debris in fact that fell over here, those debris in fact fell on this in this area from where we are reporting. We yesterday in fact saw that yes, the situation was a bit chaotic. However, now the things are under control, and as of now in fact the authorities have been stating that they are, if we talk about UAE, it is in all the acts in fact that it will be committing, that will be an act of self-defense for the kind of drones and ballistic missiles that have been launched from the side of Iran. But now, as you see in the pictures as well, in the visuals, these are the visuals, the pictures that we are giving you from Marina, which yesterday was in fact an attempt was made. Yesterday we also in fact saw that how the debris fell on one of the car in which the driver who was from Pakistan lost his life.